Hello, so in this video, I want to go over how you can use OpenCV to read in an image and actually display it. In the next video, I'll go over how you can kind of manipulate that image, but for right now, I just want to show you how you can read in an image and display it to your screen. And so, obviously, you would need your import CV2, and then you need to read, you use the IM read function to basically load a image into the program so that you can do things with it. I'm saving it to this variable here. You may or may not have to do a full path to your image. My computer doesn't like it when I do a relative path, like a relative path would be something like that, because as you see that image is right here, church small, church SM. But my computer hollers at me when I try to do that. And so that this image just is in the same folder as my Python file. And so it's able to, but I still need to have this full path to it. If you need the full path, you just right click on the image when you're in Visual Studio Code and hit copy path. And then you have the path, and you can paste it into your IM read function. So anyway, that reads it in, and then when you want to show it, if you want to display it to the screen, you use IM show. And then the wait key basically waits for you to enter a key, and then it will destroy all windows. And so let's look at what happens when I actually run this. Click the play button here. And you see we have an image that popped up on our screen. And I just click any button and it disappears. So perfect. Very functional. I'll show you real quick just some information you can get about an image. So if you print out the name of your variable that you save the image to, you will get some interesting information. As you see down here, these are basically all the pixels that exist. So I can create a for loop and go through and look at each pixel in this image from left to right down, and it will give you the it's actually the BGR, not the RGB, blue, green, red pixels. This image.shape actually gives you the size of the image. So if I just comment that out and click here, you see it gives me the height and width, and then this is just how many values are of information are at each pixel, and we saw there were 3, the BGR. And so if I wanted to just print out the height, I could do this where I do image dot shape 0. So I'll stop this and start it again. And you'll see, yeah, it just printed out that as the height. So that's pretty cool. And I'll show you in the next video how we can use this information to manipulate the image. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks.